Hello, and welcome to another update video about Render. Yeah, just a quick update. The last setup that I shared with you 2 videos ago, and yesterday we took a look at it again, but it had already reacted to the support area. The price had already reacted. That setup worked out nicely, and the price is still on its way to the next target, which we defined as $4.20. Quick view on the chart. The perspective is still that the price is here in a 5-wave move up in a diagonal. So I actually have to take the ABC structure out. While this could still be a correction, it's certainly looking like 5 waves now. So I've got a wave 1, I've got a wave 2, I've got a wave 3, I've got a wave 4, and this wave 5 is likely in the making, but it's all within the context of a diagonal structure. Now, within a diagonal, you shouldn't expect absolute precision necessarily, but within diagonals you can also get impulses, and it looks as if we currently deal with an impulse here, and we are talking about how and why and what's going on there. We had 2 setups on the chart, 2 trade setups, both profitable. We had this one in orange, which allowed to scale into the support. That's how I normally, I shouldn't say recommend, but that's typically a reasonable strategy to basically use a triangle approach and then just to scale into these boxes with a position size that you're comfortable with. So you could say you scaled in until halfway into the box, then the price did what you normally want, and it turns around. Basically with this strategy, you never get your entire position filled unless it really maxes out support. But that's okay. You want it essentially to turn around early. You don't want it to break below support, right? And then that was one way of doing it. And then for anybody who didn't do that and who missed it, I did propose another support area or setup here a few weeks ago, which was here. Yeah, it only touched it though, but that's trading. So a lot of people will have missed that, I guess. Where we had an A wave to the upside, B wave pullback into support, and it now seems to be going in the C wave. And the C wave, that's what I just mentioned, is likely the impulse. If I zoom into the 1-hour chart, then you can see that here looks good. So wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 to the downside, wave 3 to the upside, all complete. Yeah? Also the third wave did what it needed to do. Basically, we talk here about the third wave in the C wave, reached the 1.38 extension. That's okay. Yeah, that's okay. Could have gone a little higher, but it's acceptable. I mean, maybe this is even the third wave still in the making, and this is just sort of something like a small 1-2 down here. But yeah, it looks more like this. And then there, the fifth wave could be in the making now, and maybe it gives us an extension, because this fifth wave at least should reach $4.20. The next fib level, the 1.618 extension, that would be ideal. Yeah? That's based on the 1.618 extension of the larger 1-2 setup of the diagonal, and I think it's the 100% extension of waves A, well, of the wave A basically, yep, to target the wave C. Okay, the 1-to-1 ratio, 100% extension level. Okay, it can always extend higher. Extensions are always possible. Okay, so don't think it has to stop at 420. That's why we use micro support. So I will now give you the micro support level, which means Elliott wave doesn't predict extensions. It tells you the ideal levels, and it gives us also the extended levels, but it cannot look into the future and tell you, okay, it will extend. We know in cryptos oftentimes we get extensions. Looking at the subwave structure, you can see that we basically only have 3 waves up now. So maybe here another 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So there are a few more waves to go, okay? And I mean, the key level I would use now for trend continuation is here, $3.07. As long as that level is holding, this can carry on without a problem. If we break below that level, then we might get a reset of wave 4 a little lower. Yeah, then this was just an A wave down, overshooting B wave, and we get a C wave down. That's of course possible, and the wave 4 would just reset here within this orange support area again. Yeah, that's my update about Render. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.